Hello there. Welcome to MindSmith.
Challenge yourself with the following 30 questions. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let's go. What is the capital city of France? B. Paris. Who painted the famous artwork, Mona Lisa? A. Leonardo da Vinci. What planet is known as the Red Planet? B. Mars. In which year did the Titanic sink? A. 1912. Who was the first man to step on the moon? C. Neil Armstrong. What is the largest animal in the world? B. Blue whale. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? B. Japan. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Pound sterling. How many continents are there in the world? B. 7. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? C. Pacific Ocean. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A. William Shakespeare. Which element has the chemical symbol O? A. Oxygen. In which country would you find the Great Pyramid of Giza? A. Egypt. What is the fastest land animal in the world? C. Cheetah. How many players are there in a standard football team? C. 11.
Great job! You are halfway through.
Which country hosted the 2016 Summer Olympics? B. Brazil. Who invented the light bulb? B. Thomas Edison. What is the national sport of Japan? A. Sumo wrestling. What is the longest river in the world? C. Amazon River. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? A. Pluto. In which city is the Eiffel Tower located? B. Paris. Who is known as the father of computers? C. Charles Babbage. What is the capital of Nigeria? B. Abuja. Which bird is known for being the fastest in flight? B. Peregrine falcon. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? A. 0 degrees Celsius. What language has the most native speakers worldwide? C. Mandarin. Who discovered gravity when an apple fell on his head? B. Isaac Newton. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Diamond. Which continent is also a country? B. Australia. What is the national flower of China? C. Plum blossom. Congratulations, MindSmith. See you in our next video.